What are 2 to 3 protocols, habits, mindsets, let's call them shortcuts, because everybody likes shortcuts, for longevity and a long
Okay.
health span that you would share?
Prioritize sleep, like quality sleep, like it's a job. Eat natural, whole, amazing food. Like just cut out the crap. And that includes alcohol and all the things, as in the cutouts. If what you're after is really longevity, like just to be clear.
Just be clear.
Yeah, remove it for the most
Includes
part. Doesn't
alcohol,
mean you can't have a
meaning
glass of
remove
wine
it.
once in a while, but alcohol as a staple in your diet is not going to get you to where you want to go. I can promise you. So what did I say? I said sleep, I said alcohol. And I think, this whole space, gratitude and groundedness and connection to nature, like a whole emotional piece and reconnecting to nature wherever you can, and community. I know I've squeezed like 7 in there. I apologize. But I think that all of these pieces are critical
That's good.
to this
Yeah.
pie that we call longevity and health span.
So I've got sleep like it's a job. Actually, this is the first time I've heard that. I like that. Eat natural food, including alcohol.
You can have a little bit,
I like
just
it
not
too,
a lot.
so I'll take that with a grain of grain alcohol. A gratitude that kind of morphed into also community, right? Like this is kind of mindset stuff. That's awesome.